We got Brolin Johnson here. Gonna test out the natural cryotherapy. Do a comparison, head to head. Head to head. Here we go. Here we go. .33 degrees, Corvallis in the snow. Oh yeah, look at that, 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 look at that. All right, so what's your experience?
I feel great.
How do you feel like your testosterone levels are right now?
Oh, dude. I mean, they're all right.
Fair. What about how about mood, energy levels?
I feel pretty good.
Adrenaline levels?
Oh yeah, I'm amped. I'm ready.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go compare it to the cryotherapy.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. Sick.
Like, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, no mask.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, we've got the after the real cryotherapy results here. So, tell us, Brolin, how are your
I feel great. I feel good.
testosterone levels through the roof?
Dude, you have no idea, man.
How about your adrenaline levels?
I feel good.
Yes.
I'm amped. I'm ready. I just worked all day, but I could go another. Obviously, spent a little more time in the cryo chamber, so.
It's true. It wasn't a fair comparison. It wasn't 3 minutes lying in the snow.
Probably should have done that, but hey, you know, it's all good. It's fine. It worked.
All right, good. So if you don't have snow, got cryo.
Cryo.
All right, thanks, Brolin.
Cryo Reju by Blackstone.
Amazing experience in the natural snow.
Well, my nipples are hard. No, I'm just kidding.
Libido is like maxed out.
You said it.